I've always liked the look of it and the beautiful gardens and the well-kept furniture, etc. This was the one that I wanted to come to.
I've settled down very well. We have a laugh, you know, and I've found two friends that sort of like the same things as I do. We all mix in together. Little things that you can't reach or can't undo, they'll see to for you in a minute. They're very helpful, very cheerful. I was pleased to come where there's a bit of company, yes.